I think we continental Africans and African diaspora or people of African descent, we need to do intermarriages. We need to marry each other to put together the gap that have been breached for a very long time. Not only to put together that gap, but also to preserve the future of our children so that we can tell our children their own stories and educate our children on their own culture and not the culture of another people. So we are at the point where we want to unite with each other. Continental Africans and African diasporas want to unite so that we can join forces and build this continent and also preserve the future of our children and to bring back that long lost culture that have been stolen from us a very long time ago. And so in this video, I think another way in which we can unite to each other is through intermarriages. When we marry each other, and marriage is very, very strong in bringing people together, and we need to start marrying each other so that we can have children and teach those children on who they truly are and the educational system that is going on in the world. Because here in Africa, most especially the history section of the educational system is always talking about the Western history and all this stuff. But we Africans, a time is going to come where we are going to eradicate all those things out of our system and teach our children who they really are, because our fathers and grandfathers are telling us the history that they know of our true origin. And so Africans are realizing themselves, and we need to extend this, and we need to make sure we only unite with our own people, we only learn the history of our own people. So I think intermarriages is a key role to unite us together and bring back that bond that have been lost since about 400 years ago or 400 plus years ago. So that is what I said, let me share with you guys on this video. So I know the African diasporas are started coming to the continent so that they can try to bring back that gap together. And I want to tell you all this: when you get to the continent, never you feel like a stranger, always feel at home, because Africa is your true home and your true origin. Yes, I know maybe you have never been to Africa, you might have never come to Africa before, and maybe you are feeling that type of thing that maybe you are a stranger. Well, when it comes to the politics of today, which we now have countries and all those stuff, yes, you might be a foreigner as a country, right? Because if you are coming to the continent, you might, but I'm telling you, a time is coming when every African country is going to follow the footsteps of Ghana, which we are going to grant you guys free citizenship and to come in and inherit land, because there's enough lands here in the continent that we need to make use of it for the future of our generations and of our children. So that is what I said, let me share with you guys today in this video. And please, if you're just coming to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. So I'm going to see you guys on my next video, and have a nice day.